की खूब और का बातें से टीवी लवन राशि तक Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
Ubak Vicent H. Pala, ubadai unai alam jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee hak arpu atre unai lar arajak besar. Ulak Kynnoh bau bak Sniawbhalang dhar. Ubadai National General Secretary jangka National People's Party bat ubalong ru sembut Menteri Rang Bak Jela. Udai Nongaiktien jangka Bharatiya Janata Party bat ka Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. Lani ke tip lingkot Nongaiktien RSS. Kani ke Kynnoh ubak Pala kalong hadin sisngi bau bak Sniawbhalang dhar ulakam bak seng Congress Chen kan sajak ngai no nakajela Meghalaya.
Spokesperson of the RSS. The RSS, wherever they are, the BJP, wherever they are, their voice is Congress or India Mukh Bharat. Whatever they say, Congress Mukh Bharat or something.
Meghalaya
Mukh Bharat.
Congress.
So he's Sniawbhalang
Congress
has to voice.
Congress Mukh Meghalaya.
Has to voice. Otherwise, they know all illegalities from drugs, coal to anything, all done by Sniawbhalang and company. So the CBI, I was an MP, I know. They used to come to me and ask for feedback, intelligence, this. All their files are on the table. A time will come, then we'll see that who is Sniawbhalang. I'll tell you, the history will tell who is Pala, who is Sniawbhalang. The history will tell when these people will be in a certain. You have seen many of the people are in jail, be it Kejriwal, be it any party, any chief minister, any ex-chief minister, any ministers. The records which they put, one day they'll land in problem. Today they have to speak the voice of the BJP, otherwise they'll be finished by the BJP. So the voice of Sniawbhalang is 100% the voice of the BJP, the voice of the RS. The people of Meghalaya should know who is he. He has been exposed by his statement. He has been used by the BJP. He has been used by the RSS.